Hi, today we are going to see how to draw a trend line to take a profitable trade from the daily market. So let us start. You can see that we have taken a chart from Mindtree from National Stock Exchange. This is for pure educational purpose only. So let us start to draw the trend line. So first we want to draw a trend line because this is the today's chart. As we can see somewhere here, there is a trading pattern formed here, uptrend and consolidating. So I want to draw the line here. So we can see that it is slightly a messed up chart. So I want to change the time period for a better visibility. So I'm going to change the time period from here. So I'm going to change it to 1 minute chart. So you can see that it is well informed and informative from the 1 minute chart. So this is the area that we have shown. So let us zoom it for a better visibility. So I am adjusting the candle for finding better trade opportunities. So let us draw the chart with the proper trend. So here I am seeing the trend. You can see it is consolidating in a way. So I am drawing from here, and we need maximum touch on each height. So I think this will be it. So we have drawn the trend line, then we have to rearrange it and perfect trend lines. See, we get one more touch and we can draw one more trend line. For that we are going to copy the same thing, control plus C and control plus V. We will try to place the same parallel trend line somewhere here for maximum touch. Here also we can see multiple touch here for uptrend. Upper side of the line we are getting 1, 2, 3. I will highlight it. 1. Let me change the color to blue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for downtrend we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So from this we can identify that this is a proper. If the price is moving between this, say that this is a proper channel of consolidation. So we want to take trade out of this, and from the chart itself it is very visible that this is a uptrend. So I want to take the trend, I want to take the trade in the direction of the market. So I am looking for an opportunity of a breakout. So whenever the price want to break this channel and move up, I want to catch that point. I want to take the trade at that exact point. So you can see there is at this point trade, and it will reach at a certain height. So for better trade opportunities, we have to use multiple strategies. So for your better trade qualities, I will explain some more advantageable strategies for your trades. So for that, I'm going to use pivot point. It is mentioned here. I'm going to add the pivot points. So we can see the pivot points are there. These are very strong level. The price is going to touch points. So one pivot point here, another here, and third one here. So I will extend this pivot point. This is from the yesterday's chart. That's it. And we can see the trend line is also mentioned here. And I want to take the trade again. For that, we can see one more trend line here. There is a slightly downtrend. Yeah. My strategy trade for the triple touch. So we can see when the price touches 3 times, some kind of movement we can see. So in here you can see there is 1, 2, and the third touch. The price was unable to break the trend line, so it fell. You can see here, and again it came back. So we can consider and we can confirm that this is a uptrend, because after the fall it again gained back the momentum. And here we can again the price is touching 1, 2, and after that a clear breakout. So I want to take trade from here. So I will take trade from here, and a pivot point will be my profit, and I will take 1% capital, 1% of the capital as stop loss. So this is my trading strategy. For further confirmation, we can use these trend. We can see there is a trend line, and here also we can see multiple touch. One. This is also means we can confirm the up movement. So I hope this is a better trade for everyone. Some of you have caught this one, so you can try this method and get a proper profit out of this method. I hope this strategy will work for everyone, but the quality of the trade depends upon how good you are drawing the trend line, and then how you are going to take the profit at which point. I also want to show you how much profit I have made from this trade. So as I mentioned, I have taken trade from this point to this point. So from my stock account, you can see this is the profit I have made in today's date from the my entry. So thank you for watching.